Hello there, welcome to our channel Log Names again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Gmail account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your Gmail account, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and go to gmail.com. And after going to gmail.com, you'll be first required to log into your gmail.com. I have already logged into my Gmail, so it has already logged into my mail. Now to delete your Gmail account, from over here on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the profile picture icon. Click over there, and on the profile picture you can see manage a Google account option available. Over here, click on manage a Google account, and let's wait for it to load. And after it has loaded on this interface, you can see the privacy and personalization of your Google account or a Gmail account over here. Whereas on the left side of your screen, you can see the data and privacy option available. Over here, click on data and privacy, and on this interface you will be required to go to the bottom of the page, where you can see the delete your Google account option available. Over here, click on delete your Google account, which will also delete your Gmail account. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter the password of your Gmail account which you want to delete. For me, it will be this one. And after entering your password, click on next, and you can see you'll be required to read all of these information by Google, because your Google account may be are connected to many things over here, like these, like Google Photos, YouTube, Contacts, Calendar, Gmail, Blogger, AdSense, many things. And after reading all these things, simply check on these boxes, which is objected by Google itself, and check on these boxes which says yes, I acknowledge that I'm still responsible for any charges, yada yada yada, and yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. Click on these check boxes and click on delete account. And there guys, this is how you delete your Gmail account from over here. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.